Yo, you guys, it's Badger here. Today we have this little mini camera or tiny camera that you can install and use with your phone. It's pretty straightforward. Just gonna do a quick unboxing on this part here because otherwise nothing much is happening. So we got this piece. You can stick that on the wall. Then you got a charging cable, which is pretty tiny. It's not USB-C for some reason. Um, but whatever. We get two of them, one short one and a long one. There's the camera, and as you can see, it's pretty straightforward. You got the back piece that just connects. You just clip it in here, and then when you've done that, you can use the camera to, yeah, look at certain areas around your house or wherever. Get an SD slot, power slot, and a mode, and that's basically what you do, and then you're good to go. You can record, do whatever. That's gonna be it for today, so take care, you guys. Bye bye.